How to move photos from SD card to Google Photos. So if you want to move photos from SD card to your Google Photos, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your file manager or files application that you use on your device. After opening, now if you have SD card on your phone, then you can go with your internal storage, or you can also go with other storage, and here you may have your SD card option or SD card folder. So if you have the SD card folder right here, then what you can do is you just need to simply go with that folder, and you can go with select. You can go with the right side which has that three dots and then tap on select. Once you've selected, you will have an option of share. Once you tap on share, then you can share with your photos. So for example, I'll just simply go with a file. After selecting the file, you can go with the three dots and you will have share option. Once you tap on share, then it will give you all of these information like your messenger, quick share, WhatsApp and everything, right? So you will also have an option to upload to photos. You will have the photos application and you will have an option to upload to photos. You can just simply tap on the upload to photos option and it will be uploaded to your photos like Google Photos. So that's how you can move your photos from SD card to your Google Photos, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.